Choosing the right face oil can be tricky with so many options on the market, especially when you're aiming for organic, skin-loving ingredients. Face oils have the power to nourish, hydrate, and balance your skin, but it's essential to pick the one that best suits your needs. Today, we'll review 5 of the best organic face oils that offer amazing benefits for your skin. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, there's a perfect choice for you. Let's dive in and find the right one for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil. The Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil is a standout product known for its versatility and impressive skincare benefits. This luxurious oil is derived from the kernels of the argan tree, native to Morocco. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, it's one of the purest and most effective oils available for skin hydration, anti-aging, and overall skin health. Josie Maran has established itself as a brand synonymous with high-quality organic beauty, and this argan oil is the epitome of their commitment to clean, effective skincare. Key features: the primary ingredient in this oil is 100% pure, cold-pressed argan oil, which is packed with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. These natural components work together to hydrate and nourish the skin, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The oil is lightweight and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. It's also free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Josie Maran Argan Oil comes in a glass dropper bottle for easy application. Benefits and usage. This argan oil offers multiple benefits, such as deep hydration, soothing, and repairing the skin. It's particularly beneficial for dry and mature skin, as it helps to lock in moisture and improve skin elasticity. Additionally, its rich antioxidant content helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors, making it a great option for anti-aging skincare routines. To use, apply a few drops to cleanse skin, gently massaging it in. You can use it morning or night, or as a treatment for dry patches or irritated areas. Usability. Josie Maran's 100% pure argan oil is incredibly easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's a multi-purpose product that can be used as a facial oil, a hair treatment, or even a body moisturizer. Its dropper makes it simple to control the amount you use, and a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice. It's also ideal for use during the colder months when skin tends to dry out. Durability. This product is designed to last. A small amount is all you need to see results, so the 1.7-ounce bottle should last a few months even with regular use. The cold-pressed formula ensures the oil retains its potency for a long time, so you can enjoy its hydrating benefits for months without worrying about it losing its effectiveness. Additionally, the glass packaging is durable, keeping the oil fresh and protected from light. In the second spot, we have Trilogy Rosehip Oil. Trilogy Rosehip Oil is a cult favorite, offering one of the most potent sources of natural antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Rosehip oil has been celebrated for its ability to regenerate and restore skin, and Trilogy's formulation is one of the best in the market. Sourced from the seeds of wild rose bushes grown in New Zealand, this oil is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, making it a powerful tool for skin rejuvenation and protection. Trilogy is known for using organic ingredients, and this rosehip oil is no exception. Key features. Trilogy Rosehip Oil is 100% organic, containing pure cold-pressed rosehip oil that's packed with nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids work together to repair and restore the skin's natural barrier, providing deep hydration while preventing moisture loss. The formula also includes antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, ensuring that it's gentle on the skin, even for those with sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. Trilogy Rosehip Oil is renowned for its anti-aging properties, particularly its ability to reduce the appearance of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's excellent for boosting skin elasticity and promoting an even skin tone, making it a go-to for anyone with sun-damaged or unevenly pigmented skin. For optimal results, apply a few drops to cleansed skin, gently massaging it in. You can use it twice daily as part of your morning and nighttime routine or target specific areas like scars, stretch marks, or fine lines. Usability. This rosehip oil has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated without any residue. Its dropper allows for precise application, so you can use just the right amount for your face and neck. It's ideal for use on both the face and body, and its natural fragrance is subtle and not overpowering. It's perfect for anyone who wants to hydrate their skin while reaping the anti-aging benefits of a pure, organic oil. Coming in at number 3 is the Ordinary 100% Organic Cold-Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil. The Ordinary 100% Organic Cold-Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil is a powerhouse of nourishment for the skin, offering an organic, cold-pressed formula that's perfect for anyone looking to target scars, wrinkles, and dryness. Known for its high content of essential fatty acids and vitamins, this oil is a great addition to any skincare routine. The Ordinary has made a name for itself with its high-quality, affordable skincare, and this rosehip seed oil is no exception, offering all the benefits of a premium product at a reasonable price. Key features: this rosehip seed oil is 100% organic and cold-pressed, which helps preserve its rich nutritional profile, including omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. The oil is also packed with vitamins A and C, which are essential for skin renewal and collagen production. It's free from fragrances and harsh chemicals, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. The Ordinary offers this product in a glass bottle with a dropper for easy application and precise dosage. Benefits and usage: the Ordinary's rosehip seed oil helps to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a more even skin tone. It's particularly beneficial for those with dry, dull, or aging skin, as it provides deep hydration while promoting skin regeneration. To use, simply apply a few drops to cleanse skin and massage gently. It can be used both in the morning and at night as part of your skincare routine, and it's safe to layer with other products. Usability: the oil has a rich, nourishing texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and hydrated without being greasy. The dropper bottle allows you to control how much product you use, ensuring that you're never over-applying. It's a great oil for layering under moisturizers or sunscreen, and it can be used on the face, neck, and even the body to target dry patches. The oil is versatile and works well for most skin types, providing hydration and skin regeneration without irritation. Taking our 4th spot is Tata Harper Repairative. Tata Harper Repairative Oil is a luxurious, organic face oil that blends a variety of skin-nourishing ingredients to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. Known for its high-quality formulations, Tata Harper uses only natural, non-toxic ingredients to create products that address various skincare concerns. This particular reparative oil is designed to target skin that needs extra care, whether due to dryness, wrinkles, or environmental damage. It's a powerful oil that works wonders for revitalizing and maintaining youthful-looking skin. Key features: Tata Harper's reparative oil is made with a blend of 19 active ingredients, including organic oils like jojoba, sunflower, and apricot kernel, along with potent botanicals that provide deep hydration and skin regeneration. The oil is also enriched with antioxidants to protect against free radical damage and promote skin healing. It's free from artificial fragrances, parabens, and sulfates, ensuring it's suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. The product comes in a luxurious glass bottle with a pump for easy and controlled application. Benefits and usage: the reparative oil is perfect for dry, dehydrated, or aging skin, as it helps to boost moisture levels while improving skin elasticity. It's also highly effective for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. To use, apply 2 to 3 drops of the oil to your face and neck after cleansing, gently massaging it in until absorbed. It can be used both morning and night, and it pairs beautifully with other skincare products for a comprehensive regimen. Usability: Tata Harper Reparative Oil has a rich, luxurious texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it soft and deeply hydrated without feeling greasy. The formula is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down the skin, and it can be used under makeup or sunscreen without causing pilling. The pump bottle makes it easy to dispense the right amount of oil, and the oil's natural scent is light and refreshing, providing a pleasant skincare experience. It's also great for use on sensitive skin. Durability: a little of this luxurious oil goes a long way, and the 1-ounce bottle should last you a few months with daily use. The oil maintains its potency for an extended period, thanks to its stable formula and high-quality ingredients. The pump dispenser helps ensure you use just the right amount without waste, and the glass packaging ensures the oil stays fresh and protected from light. Regular use will help maintain skin hydration and improve overall skin texture. And finally, at number 5, we have Herbivore Botanicals Lapis. Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Oil is a lightweight, organic face oil designed for oily and acne-prone skin. It's formulated with blue tansy oil, a powerful ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. Lapis oil is perfect for those who want the benefits of a nourishing oil without clogging pores or adding excess shine. Herbivore Botanicals focuses on using clean, non-toxic ingredients, and this oil is no exception. It's an excellent choice for anyone with combination skin or dealing with acne and redness. Key features: this face oil is a unique blend of blue tansy, squalane, and other nourishing oils. Blue tansy is known for its calming properties, helping to reduce inflammation and redness. Squalane is a plant-based oil that provides intense hydration without being greasy. The formula also includes hemp seed oil, which balances oil production and helps to regulate the skin. The oil is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Benefits and usage: Lapis oil is specifically designed to target oily, acne-prone skin by balancing oil production and soothing inflammation. It helps to reduce redness, calm irritated skin, and prevent breakouts, all while providing the hydration your skin needs. To use, apply 3 to 4 drops to your face after cleansing, gently pressing it into the skin. It can be used both day and night, either alone or with a moisturizer for added hydration. It's a great oil for anyone who struggles with blemishes or inflammation. Usability: the Lapis oil has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling nourished but not oily. Its blue hue comes from the blue tansy, which is not only beneficial for the skin but also provides a unique aesthetic to the oil. The dropper makes it easy to control how much product you use, and a little goes a long way. The scent is herbal but not overpowering, making it a pleasant addition to your skincare routine. Durability: Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Oil is highly concentrated, so a few drops are all you need to see results. The 1-ounce bottle lasts several months with daily use. The oil remains potent over time due to its stable formula, and the packaging ensures it stays fresh. The dropper bottle protects the oil from light and air, helping to preserve its effectiveness. Regular use will help maintain clear, balanced skin without causing irritation. There you have it. These 5 organic face oils are all fantastic choices, each offering unique benefits tailored to different skin needs. Whether you're after deep hydration, anti-aging benefits, or a solution for acne-prone skin, there's an option here for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so be sure to incorporate these oils into your routine for optimal results. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more reviews and skincare tips.